Welcome back to the channel, where we dig through some of the most affordable classic cars out there. Today, we're diving into a special category, junk cars priced between $500 and $1,000. These aren't your typical weekend projects. We're talking serious fixer-uppers or parts cars. But if you're hunting for that one rare part, or maybe a major restoration challenge, these 20 cars could be just what you're looking for. Stick around as we explore these hidden gems and potential bargain buys. Let's get started. 1. 1979 Chevrolet Corvette. Located in Camden, Tennessee, price $1,000. This Corvette has been sitting for 30 years with completely rusted out floor pans and frame. With no title, it's best suited as a parts car. The seller claims it has 67,000 original miles, but given its condition, it's a project for someone looking for parts. 2. 1973 Chevrolet Nova. Located in Hollywood, Maryland, price $1,000. This 1973 Nova is being sold as a parts car with a clear title. The body is decent, but a tree fell on the roof, causing significant damage. It has no engine or transmission, making it suitable for someone needing parts. Stars 3. 1978 Plymouth. Located in Lenoir City, Tennessee. Price, $1,000. The seller is offering this Plymouth for $1,000 or trade. No additional information is provided, and given the price, it likely needs significant work or is only good for parts. 4. 1977 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe 2D. Located in Glasgow, Kentucky. Price $750. This Camaro is missing a title, and the seller is unsure of many details about the car. With a 250 inline-6 engine, it's most likely a parts car or a major project. Top 5. 1965 Cadillac DeVille Coupe 2D. Located in Fort Wayne, Indiana. Price $1,000. Listed as a $1,000 OBO, this Cadillac is a convertible that likely needs significant restoration. With 150,000 miles on it, expect this to be a project car or good for parts. Six 1972 Dodge Dart 2D. Located in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Price $600. This Dodge Dart has seen better days, with a rusted-out body but a complete interior. No title is available, and the seller is offering the entire car for $600. Seven 1979 Pawnee Pontiac Firebird Trans Am Coupe 2D. Located in Waterford, Pennsylvania. Price $800. This Firebird is being sold as a parts car for $800 OBO. It has no title, but some parts like the front clip and stub are still in good shape. 8. 1971 Dodge Demon. Located in Everett, Pennsylvania. Price $1,000. With significant rot and no title, this Dodge Demon is being sold as a parts car. It's in rough shape and has been sitting for years. 9. 1982 Chrysler LeBaron Convertible 2D. Located in Miami, Indiana. Price $1,000. This Chrysler LeBaron needs engine work, but the body is in decent condition. For $1,000, it's either a project or a parts car. Top 10 1970 Chrysler Imperial. Located in Spencerville, Ohio. Price $900. The seller describes this as a subframe Imperial with rusted rear rails and a bad trunk floor. It's priced at $900 and is best suited for parts. (11) 1968 Plymouth Barracuda. Located in Centerburg, Ohio. Price $1,000. This is a rolling shell with some parts left and a title. It's priced at $1,000. But expect significant restoration work. 12. 1964 Oldsmobile Dynamic 88, located in Interlachen, Michigan. Price $900. This Oldsmobile has no title and the transmission is missing. It's being sold for $900 and would likely be good for parts or a major project. '13, 1973 Chevrolet El Camino, located in Shelbyville, Indiana, price $1,000. This project car doesn't run and needs a full rebuild. The seller had plans to turn it into a Mad Max themed car but never got around to it. It's offered at $1,000 OBO. 14, 1979 Chevrolet Monte Carlo LS Coupe 2D, located in Kaukauna, Wisconsin. Price $500. This Monte Carlo has been sitting for years and would make a good parts car or potential race car project. Priced at $500, it's a low-cost option for those needing parts. 15, 1979 Chevrolet Monte Carlos, located in Columbus, Ohio. Price $1,000. The seller wants this Monte Carlo gone quickly. It has no title and needs to be towed. It's a parts car or a major restoration project. 16, 1966 Dodge Monaco, located in Edinburgh, Virginia. Price. This Dodge Monaco has significant rust and no title. It's being sold as is for parts and has been sitting since 1982. '17, 1950 Pontiac Silver Streak, located in Marshall, Missouri. Price $1,000. This heavily rusted Pontiac Silver Streak is being sold for parts. The seller still has the original hood emblem and is open to selling individual parts or the whole car. '18, 1982 Pontiac 6000 LE, located in St. Louis, Missouri. Price $700. This Pontiac 6000 turns over but won't start. It's priced at $700 and will need to be towed, likely a parts car. 1963 AMC Rambler American, located in Centerville, Georgia. Price $950. This AMC Rambler has been sitting for 30 years due to a broken drive shaft. It's rusty, but the interior is mostly complete. It's being sold as is for parts. 20, 1985 Chevrolet Camaro Z28, located in Bear, Delaware. Price $500. This Camaro is a roller, meaning it has no transmission, brakes, or interior. Priced at $500, it's being sold as a parts car. And that wraps up rundown of 20 junk classics priced under $1,000. While these cars might look rough now, they could be the perfect parts donor or even the foundation for a serious restoration project. Whether you're after a rare component or just enjoy bringing something back from the brink, there's value hidden in these rusted out relics. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, here at Kingna, we're always on the hunt for the next great deal on classic cars. See you in the next video.